Welcome to haesuyogjang 10분, a haven where exquisite comfort meets the breathtaking beauty of Jeju. To secure your unforgettable escape, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or find the comprehensive description below to effortlessly book your stay. Here, a world of refined tranquility awaits, offering a truly premium experience. At the heart of your experience lies a luxurious hot tub, a private oasis of warm, bubbling water, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploration. Imagine sinking into its soothing embrace, enveloped by serene views, creating an atmosphere of pure tranquility, ideal for a romantic evening or a peaceful retreat with loved ones. Each suite opens onto a private terrace, a sanctuary designed for your comfort and enjoyment. Bask in the sun, savor leisurely breakfasts, or sip sunset cocktails, all within the privacy of your own space. With both air conditioning and heating elegantly installed, you can revel in this outdoor haven regardless of the season. To further enhance your stay, we offer convenient amenities designed to cater to your every need. Enjoy the ease of a free car park, allowing you to explore the stunning landscapes of Jeju Island at your leisure. Every detail, from the individual terraces to the hot tub and the climate-controlled rooms, has been thoughtfully curated to ensure an experience that is both memorable and exceptional. Ready to begin your journey of relaxation and rejuvenation? Remember to scan the QR code to book your stay at haesuyogjang 10분 today and prepare for an exceptional experience.